I'm recording.
Well, I know he was hacking.
Hmm.
He had potions in his hand, and I went behind him to see if he had aura, and he swung at me, turned directly behind him, swung at me with a freaking pot in his hand.
Lol. Hey guys, Deadmus here. I'm recording a hacker. His name is NLLLD. Hold on. Yeah, as you can see right there, immediate head snaps.
Oh, Otis is killing him with it. Choose Otis, choose Otis. Choose Otis, choose Otis.
I'm going back naked. I'm just coming back naked, honestly. I'm trying to get
No, just
fucking...
watch us, just watch us.
Yeah.
It's a 3v1 right now. He's obviously hacking. He has aura. He's swinging at me with the pot right now.
Is he
He
actually?
was like he was getting your gear and he just swung with the pot.
Oh, he popped. Can I have the gear?
Yeah. Oh. I'll take Otis is hacking. I'll say sorry. I'll say. Yeah,
Okay, so Otis isn't hacking, but the other one is.
Yeah. Get commander, I'll take that.
Yo,
Need captain gear?
I need any type of gear because I'm in literal pirate gear.
Right here. Need to fix it though.
And then, can you give me...
Pineapples, a sword, some food. Dude. You said join the Discord.
No, don't. What type of gear was he in?
I gave it to you. This is captain. Do you want to join the Discord?
Look in chat.
You want to join the Discord?
Here, I'll invite him to ours because I don't feel like being in the Discord with Great Flash. Hold on. That's ally chat. Yo, NL, he's back, he's targeting me.
Hacking so bad.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yo, them freaking head snaps.
Are you recording this one?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Outpost.
Yeah, dude, his head snaps are freaking real.
Hopefully some mod will actually see this. Or V1. Whoa, easy record. He's hitting all of us.
Yeah.
Pop. Say easy. Get me. I do want his pots though.
No, I want his XP.
Why do you say? Oh. Yeah, you see, did you record when he jumped down and went like this? He jumped down and went boom, 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 and hit like all of us.
Yo, I'm going to that thing.
What are you going for? Oh, this. I'm not gonna go, I'm just gonna wait for you guys. Plus I need to fix. Did you see when he jumped down? Like, he snapped at all of us.
Yeah, I saw that.
And like, he hit all of us.
Alright, I'm at the place. I'm on top of the roof of Battlefield. Well, like the little house. I got 2 chests.
Don't die.
I'm going for the boss. I'm going for the boss. Sorry if it's laggy, guys. I don't know why I'm lagging. I got headshotted. Why is this Rip Static Kid targeting me? There's a boss. Oh, someone's natures is going off. Someone's natures is going off.
That one. Get out of here, killer.
Why is Rip Static fucking targeting me? Oh my god, how long is this gonna fucking go for? Fudge. I'm getting out. I'm not even gonna go for the boss. That natures was... yeah, it already died. Oh my
The
god.
boss?
Oh, my boots got silenced. Holy crap. I got a soul book!
Really?
I got a freaking soul book! On recording! Oh my god!
Item it. Oh my gosh.
GG.
You should let me open that.
GG. Wait, what was that thing called? Wait. No, it's called a, event. GG holiday event. What?
Oh wait, you know what you should do?
What?
Okay. Press F1, open it, and then item it, and I'll tell you if it's good, okay?
Alright, yeah.
Go outpost. Go to the outpost.
Hold on, I'm fixing up my gear.
No way.
Bro.
Have the item ready, so you don't have to
Okay,
type
hold
it.
on. I'm adding, Otis' Discord.
Dude, no way.
Otis.
Yeah.
Dude, I just got a freaking soul book.
Soul book. Yo, Otis, did you see NLLD hacking?
Yeah.
I was recording it. Did I record it? Dude, I'm opening up a desert.
Okay, wait. Remember F1 and have the item ready, do F1 and I'll tell you if it's good. Okay?
I think it's a bit funny because, like, I was cruising him, I animated him, and
Get the item ready, get the item ready.
I tried to cruise
Are you
him.
F1 in, killer?
Yeah.
Alright, F1, alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, item it.
Hold on. I'm gonna wait for my chat to clear.
Just keep right-clicking the book. Keep right-clicking the book.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, item it. Don't look yet, just item it, and then we'll both see it. Oh,
Oh, Teleblock 3.
rip. I always saw that. Bro,
Rip.
I didn't know. You can't tinker it. That's all I know. Dude, if we got Nature's 4, I would have freaking screamed.
How much should I put this in age for? Like 1.5 mil?
I've never the Teleblock 3, so I don't know.
Hold on, I'll just do this.
It's like 1 mil. Dude, when MLB jumped down, he like snapped his head at all four of us and killed all of us. Not killed, like hit all of us.
Oh, I know. Alright, guys, that's the end of this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that hacker and the Blizzard event. Yeah, hopefully
I wanna
I'm
watch
on season
this.
to get some
I wanna
bad.
watch it. It's gonna be so funny from your reaction in the video.